Lisa, look! Big sale sign. My eyes are happy.
Careful, David. Your wallet may cry.
Haha, free to look, not free to buy.
That's right. Today, you learn English words in the supermarket.
Okay, my wallet is scared, but my English is ready.
Here are the fruits.
Wow, colorful army. Apples, bananas, grapes, like a rainbow.
Yes. Look, these are apples. Red and green.
Apple. Doctor says eat one every day.
Bananas. Soft and sweet.
Banana. Monkey food. My food too.
Grapes. Small and juicy.
Grapes. Small fruit, big price. Lisa, so many green things. Are we in a jungle?
No, this is vegetables. Carrots, broccoli, tomatoes.
Carrots. Rabbits like them.
Yes, broccoli. Healthy and green.
Broccoli. Looks like small trees.
Tomatoes. Red and round.
Tomato. 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 Haha, joking.
Here is the bakery. Fresh bread.
Oh, the smell is so good. My nose is happy.
White bread. Soft, cheap.
White bread. Easy breakfast.
Whole wheat bread. More fiber. Healthy.
Whole wheat. Healthy, but my tongue says no.
French baguette. Long and crispy.
Long bread equals long bill? Wow, chicken, beef, fish, a zoo in the freezer.
Not a zoo, David. Meat section.
Chicken. Cheap, common. Chicken. Tasty in soup.
Beef. Strong taste. More expensive.
Beef. Expensive cow.
Fish. Healthy, many types.
Fish. Swimming before, swimming in my stomach later.
Now the drinks.
Oh no, more choices, more confusion.
Water. Cheapest, healthiest.
Water. Good, but boring.
Soda. Sweet, fizzy, not healthy.
Soda. Fun for the tongue, not for the belly.
Juice. Fruit inside.
Juice. Healthy, but also sugary. Lisa, look, heaven, chips, cookies, chocolate.
Yes, snack section. Chips. Salty, crunchy.
Chips. My TV friend.
Cookies. Sweet, baked.
Cookies. My heart is happy, my stomach is bigger.
Chocolate. Sweet, sometimes bitter.
Chocolate equals love. Wait, this is not food, soap, shampoo, detergent?
Yes, cleaning section. Soap. Wash your hands.
Soap. Good smell, no germs.
Shampoo. Wash your hair.
Shampoo. My head says thank you.
Detergent. Wash clothes.
Detergent. My shirt is safe. Clothes in the supermarket? Amazing.
Yes, t-shirts, jeans, shoes.
T-shirt. Simple and cheap.
Jeans. Strong. Last long.
Jeans. Expensive legs.
Shoes. Sports shoes. Casual shoes.
Shoes. My feet say yes, my wallet says no. Okay, Lisa, my cart is full, my wallet is crying.
Let's check the bill. Oh no. Look, cheese again.
What? Not gold cheese again?
Yes, $2 per 100 grams. You bought 500 grams. $10.
My cheese is gold again.
David, lesson. Always read the label.
Okay, my English is stronger, my wallet is weaker.